Good morning, good morning, good morning, you guys. Happy New Year. I know it's like the fourth day of the new year. So when do we stop saying it? After the fifth or after we see people that we haven't seen yet and we want to wish them a Happy New Year? But then that could be like 2 weeks from now. So I don't know, whatever. Happy New Year. Anywho, what you are seeing is my table. Yes, guys. This is my sewing table. This is where it all goes down. And look how messy it looks. So this is the corner of my living room. And since it's a new year means new you, new things, new projects, new investments, new jobs, new friends, new money. Yeah, we like that. So, anyways, I am going to start my YouTube sewing channel. However, I need to do something with this workspace. This is like by my bookcase in my living room. See my bookcase. See all my books I love to read. And my husband said it looks junky. And I agree with him. But don't tell him that because I like to secretly like agree with him. It's just something I like to do. Anywho, I'm thinking about getting some, turning this into my sewing studio right here. These are some of the blankets that I have been quilting. This is for my neighbor. Please don't tell her it's done, but it's not done. Also, let's see. See if I can show you that. Let me get it over here. As you can see, I have two sewing machines. Yeah, I have two sewing machines. I have the infamous cookie jar where I keep my some of my thread and needles in. This is like oh God, I feel like my mother. I think all mothers used to do that, like keep these cookie jars and just put all their needles and threads in it. That's what I'm doing. I got another one over there and I got another one under there. So this is the blanket that I'm finishing up. I just have to put, I think it needs a label of some sort. Gonna get that done today. Let's see. This one needs a back end. This one needs a back end. I've started quilting it on the batten. So for my YouTube channel, I'm gonna have these posted on there. I need to organize those two bags of fabrics, but that's not all I have, guys. I have more in my room, and it's kind of like getting a little cluttery. And I agree with my husband. I have to get it under control. So I'm going to take this little area and turn it into my sewing studio. Or I have another area down by my hall. I ain't going to show y'all that. That's too messy. Anyway, coming soon, my YouTube channel, all about sewing, quilting, and a little few things in between. So I can't wait to get that started. And I will show you guys the finishing look after I get this all together. And that thing on the wall right there, Aaliyah made that for me in school when she was like in the first grade. I'm going to try to incorporate that. I'm not going to get rid of it. I'm just going to try to incorporate it into my YouTube studio. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I also podcast too. I'm gonna drop the link soon. And yeah, I'm on season 2 on my podcast. You guys don't know that. You can't get, it's so hard to get your family and friends to support you. It's just so hard. You'll hear them talking about, oh, I listen to this person, I listen to that person. And then when you tell them about yourself, it's like, oh, okay, I'll check it out. And they never check it out. So I stopped asking. I'm just going to go with the public and have them help me get my YouTube channel and my podcast up and running. So, yeah, guys, this is what I'm doing. See you soon. Peace out.